Your case is a simple one. You want your money back. Now, what are you entitled to? You want your deposit back. No difficulty with that. The question is, are you entitled to any more here? If he wasn't well enough to attend, it was incumbent on him to either find alternative arrangements or to communicate with you in an honest way as soon as it was reasonably practicable, so that you could make alternative arrangements if he wouldn't or couldn't. Bearing in mind the admission of his lies, I have no other option but to come to the conclusion that he did not communicate with you in a reasonable way, to give you time so that you wouldn't experience this stress and you could find alternative arrangements. That means he didn't just breach his contract, but also, in respect of that contract, acted negligently too. That means you're not just entitled to the £50. You're entitled to all of the extra time and all of the extra money that you had to pay moving this wedding back in the day. So the time for the alternative DJ, the £60 for the photographer, the £30 for the extra transport, and the £40 that you had to pay your makeup artist to clear up all the tears. That is yours. No difficulty. The complication is this. You're also claiming the £150 fee for the alternative DJ. Well, you would have paid that DJ in any event. What I find in this matter is that the purpose of your contract with Ben was the enjoyment that you were going to experience from him specially singing that song and providing bespoke music specially for your occasion. Your claim that I construe on your behalf against Ben, therefore, in respect of the £150, is for loss of enjoyment. It seems to me, bearing in mind Ben's failure to communicate with you in time and the loss of enjoyment that you experienced because you weren't able to get the song that you wanted, which mattered specifically for a wedding day, that by a narrow legal margin, you're entitled to recover that sum too. In the circumstances, therefore, you're entitled to the £50 of your deposit and the entire value of your claim. This court awards you £360. Ben, I believe you were ill. I know you were. That doesn't absolve you of a responsibility to communicate within reasonable time and, above all else, honestly. Had you not lied to me in the course of these proceedings, I want to be absolutely clear. Your financial exposure here would have been £50. Lies are very, very costly. That's the award of this court, £360.
Thank you, Judge.
Layla won her case and was awarded the full amount of her claim.